Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This is Akash, you watching our channel. So guys, today I'm explain how to set up your dual monitor setup. So I am using dual monitor in my laptop, and some days I face a problem. So now I'm restart this. I'm just unplug this monitor. So guys, now I'm go to settings and restart Windows and click settings. So now I am just click system and click display, and I don't know second monitor, so multiple display dedicated and nothing. So I'm just connect my second monitor VGA cable in my laptop. So guys, I'm just connect, just wait. So guys, you can hear sound. Okay, so guys, now automatically detect two monitor 1 and 2, and just hide my left side icon. So how can fix problem? So multiple device and create duplicate those and just keep change, and I am just 1 and 2 monitor, but monitor is 1 because multiple display but duplicate those display. So now click on extend this display. So guys, now keep change, and you can select resolution 16 by 900. Okay, recommended settings and scale layout 100% recommended, and now show 1 or 2 monitor. So I hope you enjoy this video. So like and subscribe our channel. Goodbye, see you next time.